Hello everyone. Before we jump into today's video, I thought I would give you a little bit of introduction and update about what's been going on with us over here in our new home. And let me just start off by saying that it's been a crazy couple of weeks for us. And after I was done painting the living room and the bedroom, Mark is my husband, by the way, we both sat down and we sort of went over our visions that we had for our new place, and we both decided on mixing some modern elements with vintage elements. And you'll know what I mean by vintage elements when you see the upcoming future videos, but for now, in this video, we'll be focusing on the modern elements. And in this context, by modern elements, I mean some sizable furniture pieces that we got from Structube, IKEA. Basically, Structube is like a furniture place over here in Canada, and I'm sure you all know about IKEA. We even visited this other place called The Brick to look at some mattresses, and Sleep Country. I don't believe I got any footage from Sleep Country because we went there very close to their closing time, and we were kind of in a rush to get our browsing done before they closed the store. So I do remember seeing a beautiful duvet there, though. That's another dilemma that we have going on, whether we want to go with a duvet or a comforter for our bed. I'm kind of leaning towards a duvet because you can get a cover for it and you can wash it in your washing machine whenever you want. So let's see. But maybe we might get a duvet for now. We need to get extra pillows and pillowcases, bed sheets, cushions for a couch, cushion covers. I'm getting ahead of myself here. I just spoke about a couch when I didn't even tell you that we got a couch. But yes, like I was saying, we did go to these stores to browse for some furniture pieces, and we came across some that we really liked, and we got those deliveries a few days ago, and we've just been kind of busy assembling all those pieces. We had help from Mark's friends as well with the assembling, so we mostly managed to assemble 90% of what arrived, and it's just the last bit of shelving and doors for the cabinets, cupboards, etc. that's still left. But Mark and I will probably get to that. We'll hopefully get to that in the next few days. But yes, we do have a few pieces assembled because before we got them assembled, the entire place was such a mess. It's still a mess, but it was the kind of mess where you couldn't even see the floor of the living room, and everything was just filled with drop sheets and boxes, etc. But now at least we could see the floor. We can see the floor of our living room, which is a nice thing, and we can sort of see like a structure to it. We can see bits and pieces of what we sort of envisioned, and all of it slowly starting to come together. So yeah, we're almost done putting together the skeleton now. So we just need to keep fleshing it out until it's done. It's still a bit messy because we have so many things lying around there. You'll see later in the video what I mean by the messy part, but then I wanted to show you everything of our journey. So I didn't want to leave out any messy parts and only show you the pretty social media worthy footage, so to speak. So yes, you will be seeing the before, during, after version. But yeah, the real after image that I have in mind for the home might be a while to get to because I want to get just quality curated pieces to populate this home, and I just don't want to bring in stuff just for the sake of bringing it in and making sure that all the rooms are done, because I have a certain vision in mind, so does Mark. So we are just both waiting to find the perfect pieces. But at least, speaking of the perfect pieces, I'm really looking forward to visiting two particular antique stores this coming week and the next week. And I'm really excited about it because, like I said, we want to mix in some modern and vintage elements in our home. So really hoping to find some unique antique finds at these stores. And getting back to our couch, we did find a beautiful couch too. It arrived a few days ago and it was so gorgeous. We saw it at the store and we had to get that one. But unfortunately, the one that was delivered to us came with this tiny little hole or a rip or a tear, whatever you want to call it. But yes, it's microscopic compared to the size of the couch, but it's there and we saw it. So now there's no going back. So we are in the process of submitting a claim to sort of get it exchanged for a new piece. And so that's that. Not a dull moment around here. Little adventures and challenges coming our way every day. Also, we somehow ended up with multiple pieces of some furniture pieces that we got from IKEA. So we sort of need to return those as well. So that's another thing we need to get done. But yes, other than that, really excited for you guys to see this video and my next videos. Exciting videos planned for the next few weeks. We even had like a huge shopping spree for the washroom from HomeSense, but then that'll be revealed at a later date. But for now, yes, I will show you, I will share some of the furniture pieces that we got, at least the skeletons that we've assembled for now, and you will see a much better looking living room with the finished furniture at a later point. But for now, I just wanted to give you an update and show you how everything's been going on with us, so that yes, I just wanted to share this journey with you all. So I will stop talking now because I did say it was going to be a quick introduction. So hopefully you like this video, and if you do, please subscribe because your support means the world to me. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Sorry, I lied. I I have one last thing to add, one last thing to share that I'm so excited about, and it is to report to you that I've placed an order for a rug for the living room from Ruggable. And if any of you know about Ruggable, you know how beautiful their designs are, and all of their rugs are machine washable, and just their designs, every single rug is like a work of art. So it was the toughest thing to just select one single rug out of all of them for the living room, because I had shortlisted so many rugs, and then Mark and I just sat down and we had a such a tough time just selecting one of them. But yeah, we finally landed on one of them, and it's it's in the process of getting here. So yeah, really excited about its arrival, and hopefully you'll see it in one of the upcoming videos. But yeah, that's it, and I'm done now, so we are moving on to the video.